Matt Day here with Parsons, Graham and Day, talking about protective orders again. There are a huge volume of protective orders filed across the state of Oklahoma, and Tulsa County obviously fits the mold there. There are thousands of protective orders that are filed in Tulsa County every single year. Most of these cases are resolved between the parties themselves without representation. However, there are an increasing number of cases involving attorneys. And that means if you are filing for a protective order, you need to consider obtaining an attorney to represent you and help you put your case on in front of the protective order judge. Conversely, if you are the defendant in a protective order case, you need to hire an attorney to protect you in the event that that case is going to go to hearing and you're going to have to put on your defense. Protective orders can carry a number of long-lasting consequences, including impacting your ability to possess and use firearms. There's a federal statute that was recently upheld in the Supreme Court that says that if you are subject to a final protective order, you cannot possess firearms during the life of that protective order. Most courts in the state of Oklahoma will issue an order, even for the emergency purpose, of saying you cannot possess a firearm. Obviously, if one is granted against you, it can impact your ability to get employment or get other benefits because that protective order is going to pop up on any sort of background check. And in Oklahoma, we use the Oklahoma Supreme Court Network, and that can detail those cases, including protective orders. Those will pop up if someone searches your name. So there's a number of impacts that can occur from a protective order case, and you need to consider those before you walk into the courtroom. If you find yourself either a victim in need of a protective order or you have been wrongfully accused of having stalked, harassed, beaten, or committed a crime against a person, you need to obtain representation. Our office handles those types of cases almost every day. Give us a call at 918-307-1529.
The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish an attorney-client relationship between Parsons, Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.